Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can blend two images in Canva. So I will show you the step by step process. So there is three methods that you can use. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So first method is a very simple method. Okay, you can simply blend the images. I just put the two image here. Okay, if you have that your own image, you can upload from here. Go to the upload and upload it. Okay, for now I just take image from Canva stock only. Okay, so these are my two images. So what we can do, you can resize and fit to the canvas. Okay, like this. Let me take the second image. Okay, if the second image behind like this, you can go to the positions here, go to the layer, and you can take that image at front and just resize it. Okay, like this. Once you're done, just select that image, go to the transparency, and you can decrease the transparency, and you can see this image looks like blend. Okay, so it is simple blend. Okay, now let me show you the second method. Okay, we have two images like this. So let me add more page. I just copy it and paste here. Okay, so this is my first image and this is my second image. Okay, so come to the first image and come to the elements and search for gradients. Okay, and go to the graphics, and here you need to choose the gradients. Let me Okay, we need a left or right gradient. Like, let me see. Okay, we can take it. Okay, you need to just rotate it. Just hit the control button, hold it and rotate it in 90 degrees. Minimize the size like this. Okay, just put at the left and make sure it's fit to the image. Now you can just copy it, make a duplicates. Okay, you can make duplicates like this. Okay, and make sure every shapes should be overlay each other like this. Okay, now you can group it. So you can select that all elements, group it and maximize the size. Okay, you can cover 50% of image. Okay, now select that, copy that gradients, come to the second image and paste here. Okay, and you need to just minimize the size and just rotate it and make it right side. Okay, like this, 180% degree. Make sure it is come to your right side like this, and make sure cover the 50% area of image. Okay, now we have that two image. Now add the another page, come to the first image, go to the share, go to the see all and just copy that clipboard. Now that clipboard will be copied. Yeah, it's copying now. Okay, it's copied now. Come to that third page, paste here. Okay, so now we got this image, just fit to the canvas. Now come to the second image, same process, come to the share, see all, copy the clipboard. It's copied, come to the third page and paste here. Okay, now make sure it is fit to the canvas like this. Okay, now select that image on the third page, go to this transparency and just minimize this transparency. Okay, you can adjust as per your requirement, and you can see this image has been blend. Now you can select the both image. Okay, go to the position, select the both image, like hit the control key and select that both image and just group it. Okay, once you group, okay, once you group, you can minimize it together and you can freely move to the onto the canvas, or you can simply go to the share, download the third page only, png or jpg, and download it. After download, you need to re-upload again here inside another page, and you will get the proper image. Okay, whole image. And here we have the third options. We can use the app. So let me insert the fourth image and let me add some that two image here. This is my first image and this is my second image. Okay, so you need to make sure it is the both image in approx same ratio. Now come to the app and search for blend image. Here we have the application called blend image. Just select that. Now you can select that first image as a top layer. The second is use the bottom layer, and here you need to okay screen and just this is a preview. Okay, and just add to design, and here you can got that blend image. Okay, so this is the option, guys. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.